Okay. My family.
Where are you from? Where are you from, teacher?
Hi, I'm from Philippines. About you, where are you from?
I'm from Hanoi.
Wow. Okay, I will put your name first here. Your name is Angel. Okay.
My first name. My first name. Có xong Nguyễn?
Angel,
Yes.
your surname is?
How me?
Can you please put in the chat box? Angel? Oh, there is Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy.
Hello, teacher.
I'm teacher Luna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Okay. Okay, let's go back to Angel. Angel, may I know your surname?
My name is How me.
How Hemi. How Hemi.
Hi, Miss Luna. Can you please read my message in the chat box?
Okay.
Miss
Okay.
Luna, you can share Class Dojo on the screen so that you can show them their English names, and after that you can change their names. For example, Angel, Angel Nguyen, or Angel Chan, or Angel ABC is still fine. We just care
Okay.
about their English name. Yes.
Okay. Okay, Daisy, you are now here. Angel and Daisy.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, may I know your name is?
My name is Jack.
Hi, Jack. Nice to meet you. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
My name is Teacher Luna. Nice to meet you. I will be your teacher for tonight. Okay. Okay, you're in. Okay, are you ready to start to our class?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Okay, please wait.
Wow. Nói.
Okay, class, are you ready to our lesson?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. We are going to learn about Unit 22 in our bags and in our school. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay. Let's learn about new words. Okay. Please tell me. Okay, Angel. Please tell me what you can see in this picture.
This is my books.
Yes, very good. Book. Okay, class, let's listen to the audio first and please repeat after the audio, okay?
Book.
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 Very good. Okay, next picture. Okay, Daisy. Daisy, can you please tell me what is this?
Bookcase.
Very good. Bookcase. Okay, let's listen to the audio and please repeat.
Bookcase.
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 Okay, next. Let's have the next picture. Okay, Jack. Please tell me, what is this? Okay, do you know what is this? Okay, I will give you the answer. This is a cupboard. Okay, class, please listen carefully to the audio and repeat. Cupboard. Okay, I will play the audio.
Cupboard.
Cupboard.
Cupboard. Cupboard.
Okay, again.
Cupboard.
Cupboard. I can't hear you. Can you please listen and repeat?
Cupboard.
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 Okay, Daisy, what is this?
Boy.
I can't hear you.
It is cupboard.
Very good. Okay, Angel.
This is a cupboard.
Well done. Okay, very good. Next, let's have the next picture. Okay. Angel, can you please tell me what is this?
This is a bird.
A board. Yes, a board. Okay, class, please listen and repeat.
Board.
Board.
Bird.
Okay, Jack, I can't hear you.
Board.
Daisy,
Board.
Board.
Boy. Board.
Very good. Okay, next picture. Okay, we are done, Angel. Next, Daisy. Can you please tell me what is this?
This is a table.
Table or a desk? Okay, table or desk. Okay, very good, Daisy. Okay, I will play the audio. Please listen and repeat. Okay, please wait.
Desk.
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 Okay, again.
Desk.
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 Okay, last time.
Desk.
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 Okay, nice job. Next, let's have the next picture. Okay, Jack. Can you please tell me what is this? Where are you, Jack? I can't see you. Hello? Where is Jack? Oh, Jack, can you, oh, there you are. Can you please tell me what you can see in this picture? It's a,
Crayon.
yes, a crayon. Well done. Okay, a crayon. Now, please repeat.
Crayon.
Crayon. Okay, class, please repeat.
Crayon.
Crayon.
Crayon. Crayon.
Okay, Angel, I can't hear you. Crayon.
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 Okay, very good. Now, let's have the next page. Now, let's have this picture. Okay, can you please guess what is this? What is this? Okay, Daisy. It's a, it's a, okay, I will give you the answer. It's a poster. Yes, it's a poster. You're posting it into the wall. Okay. Class, please repeat.
Poster.
Poster. Okay, class. I can't hear you. Hello. Please repeat. Poster.
Poster.
Again.
Poster.
Poster.
Poster. Poster.
Okay, again.
Poster.
Poster.
Poster. Poster.
Good job. Okay, next picture. Okay, can you please tell me what is this? Okay, Angel, you're raising your hand. It's a,
This is a ruler.
very good. It's a ruler. Okay, now let's listen to the audio. Please repeat.
Ruler.
Ruler. Okay, I can't hear you. Please repeat.
Ruler.
Ruler. Hello? Daisy, what is this?
This is a ruler.
Yes. Okay, Jack, what is this?
This is a ruler.
Okay, very good. Now let's have the next. Okay, can you please tell me what is this?
Teacher.
Yes, it's a teacher. Very good, Jack. Okay, please repeat.
Teacher.
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 Okay, again.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Teacher. Teacher.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Okay, Angel, what is this?
This is a teacher.
Teacher.
This is a teacher.
Teacher.
Okay, Daisy. Where are you, Daisy? Hello, Daisy. I can't see you.
Teacher.
Please repeat.
Teacher.
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 Okay, again.
Teacher.
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 Well done. Okay, next. Let's have the next picture. Okay. Now, Daisy, can you please tell me what is this? It's a
This is
it's a we can use it. It's a it's a Okay, Jack, do you know what is this?
paper.
Wow, very good. It's a paper. Okay. Please repeat, Jack.
Paper.
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 Okay, again.
Paper.
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 Okay.
Paper.
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 Okay,
Paper.
Daisy. Please repeat.
Paper.
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 Okay. Angel, please repeat.
Paper.
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 Paper. Oh, sorry. Paper.
Paper.
Okay, next is eraser.
Eraser.
Okay,
Eraser.
please repeat.
Eraser.
Eraser.
Eraser. Eraser.
Again, eraser.
Eraser.
Eraser. Eraser.
Again,
Eraser.
eraser.
Eraser. Eraser.
Okay, Jack, I can't hear you.
Eraser.
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 Okay, good job. Next, let's have the next picture. Okay. Next, Angel, where are you? Can you please guess what is this?
Zero.
It's a
Zero.
Zillow.
Eraser.
Oh, we have an eraser already. Can you please tell me what is this? It's a Okay, Jack, do you know what is this? How about you, Daisy? Do you know what is this? Okay, I will give the answer. It's a rubber. Rubber.
Apple.
Okay. Angel, please repeat.
Rubber.
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 Okay, again.
Rubber.
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 Okay, last time.
Rubber.
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 Okay, Daisy. Daisy. Can you please
Rubber.
repeat?
Rubber.
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 Very good. Okay, Jack, please repeat.
Rubber.
Rubber. Rubber.
Rubber. Rubber.
Okay.
Rubber.
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 Okay, good job, guys. Now let's have the next picture. Okay, we are done with Angel. Let's
This
have... Mhm.
This is a bag.
Oh, Angel, very good. It's a bag. Okay, please repeat.
Bag.
Bag. Please repeat. Bag.
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 Good job. Okay, Jack, can you please repeat?
Bag.
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 Bag. Daisy?
Bag.
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 Okay, great job. Keep it up. Next picture. Okay. Jack, can you please tell me what is this?
Backpack.
It's a
Backpack.
backpack. Very good. Okay, please repeat.
Backpack.
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 Daisy, please repeat.
Backpack.
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 Okay.
Backpack.
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 Jack.
Computer.
Oh, it's a
Computer.
computer. Okay, well done. It's a computer. Okay, please repeat.
Computer.
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 Angel, please repeat.
Computer.
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 Okay, Daisy.
Em đang học computer.
Daisy, please repeat.
Computer.
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 Computer. Okay.
Computer.
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 Okay, very good. Now let's have the next picture. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, we are ready. Next. Can you please tell me, Daisy, what is this?
This is phím không thì những em một lần lại quên. Hai mươi một lần hai cái bút.
Okay, Angel, do you know the answer?
I don't know.
Okay. Daisy, can you please tell me what is this? It's a how about Jack? Do you know what is this?
I don't know.
Okay, I will give the answer. It's a keyboard. Yes, we are using keyboard. Okay, Daisy, please repeat.
Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Keyboard.
Again.
Keyboard.
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 Okay, last time.
Keyboard.
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 Okay, Jack, what is this?
Keyboard. Keyboard.
Angel, what is this?
Keyboard.
Very good. Okay, next picture.
Mouse.
Okay, Angel, what is this?
This is a mouse.
A mouse. Very good. This is a mouse. I have a mouse. Can you see my mouse? Oh, you can't see me? Okay. Please repeat.
Mouse.
Mouse. I can't hear you.
Mouse.
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 Jack, what is this?
Mouse.
Mouse.
Mouse. Daisy, can you please tell me what is this?
A mouse. Mouse.
Mouse. Okay, good
Mouse.
job. Okay, next picture. What is this? Can you please tell me? Jack?
Your phone. Phone. Phone.
It's a
Phone.
phone. It's bigger than phone.
What?
iPad.
iPad. Angel, this is
Phone.
iPad or
Phone.
it's bigger than phone.
Không phải phone.
It's an iPad or tablet. Okay, please listen and repeat.
Tablet.
Tablet,
Tablet.
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 Okay, I can't hear you. Angel, please repeat.
Tablet.
Tablet,
Tablet.
Đi chơi đi. Lên làm gì?
tablet,
Tablet.
Đi uống.
Tablet.
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 Okay, Jack,
Tablet.
please
Tablet.
repeat. Tablet,
Tablet.
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 Okay, excellent. Well done. Now let's have the next. Okay, how many school words can you find? Okay, let's find some words. Okay, Jack, can you please tell me?
Book.
Angie, book. Very good. Next,
Keyboard.
keyboard. Very good. Next,
Mouse.
mouse. Yes. Okay, next,
Ruler.
ruler. Very good. Next,
Table.
table. Table.
Yeah.
Very okay. Next,
Pencil.
pencil. And
Computer.
computer.
Nhiều từ đó.
Okay, Daisy. Yes, you're raising your
Paper.
hand.
Bag.
Paper. Paper. And
Desk.
desk. Desk. Yes, very good. Okay, Angel.
Nhiều.
Crayon.
Crayon. Yes, crayon. We have crayon. We have also a poster. Poster.
Ruler.
Ruler. Yes, we have a ruler already.
But.
A. Okay, very good. Look at this funny keyboard. There are a lot of school words on it. Okay. Please draw the circles around them. Okay, please, Daisy, draw a circle of your answer. Angel.
Cool. Ruby. Ruba.
Ru.
Ruba.
Ruboard.
Yeah.
Uh, yes, yes, Jack, yes.
Book.
Book. Okay, we have already a book. Okay, we are done.
Ruler.
Ruler, we have
Pencil.
already a ruler. Okay, how many school words are there? Okay, we have book, keyboard, mouse, ruler, tablet, poster, pencil, computer, paper, desk,
Bag.
and crayon. 1, 2,
Bag,
3, 4,
paper.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bag.
Okay. We have already 11 words.
Paper.
Yes, we have already paper.
Bag.
Bag. Okay, 12. Bag. Bag.
Desk.
Desk. Wow, 13 words. All right. Case. We have case. Bookcase. 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 We have 14 words. Okay, well done, class, for helping me finding the words. Okay, you can erase your circles now.
Okay.
Thank you.
No.
Okay, we are done. Next, let's have the next picture. Which word you can see in the blue box? Okay, let's start with
Papa.
okay, let's have the example number 1. The picture number 1 is pencil. We have a pencil. How about number 2?
Slide.
Okay, Daisy, what's the answer?
Two. Slide.
It's a
Is a
number 2, picture number 2. It's a play,
playground.
Okay, very good. It's a playground. Okay, next. It's a playground. Okay, next. Angel, please answer the next picture.
Table.
Table. Number 3, it's a
20 is eraser.
number 3 is a
Eraser.
Okay, let's have number 4. Number 4 is desk. How about number 5, Jack? Can you please guess what is in picture number 5?
Ai đấy thôi gọi là gì? Bookcase.
Bookcase. Okay, next.
Nào.
Very good.
Đoàn.
Next, Daisy.
Nào. Biết rồi.
Number 6.
Number 6.
Picture 6. One,
Picture.
6.
Just six
Phải
is
ra.
Isa.
đợi rồi.
Okay, very good, Angel. Number 3 is eraser. Okay, next. Let's have number 6. Can you please guess, Daisy?
Eraser.
Yes, very good. Number 3 is eraser. Okay, how about number 6, Daisy? It's a
Is a eraser.
what is the next of the eraser?
Ruby.
Again, Angel?
Ruby.
Rubber.
Rubber.
Yes, very good. Okay, let's have number 7, board. Okay. How about number 8? Jack. Can you please answer, Jack?
Backpack.
Backpack or backpack or what is number 8? Can you please tell me? Backpack or school bag? Okay. Let's have number 3, eraser, and number 6 is rubber. Okay. Can you? Okay, what word can you see in the middle? What word can you see in the middle? In the middle is?
Classroom.
Very good, Angel. Well done. Okay. Now I will put your okay, please wait. Okay, we are done. Very good. Classroom. Okay, next. Let's have ask and answer the questions. Okay. We are looking at the picture number 1. Can you please tell me what you can see in picture number 1? What's in your bag? Okay, Daisy, what's in your bag?
Nhiều bạn mẹ mình. Cái sao bạn?
Can you please tell me what's in your bag?
What?
Cái gì trong con?
Book.
Books. Very good. And
Pencil case.
pencil case. Wow. And
eraser.
eraser. Okay, well done. Now let's have number 2. Jack, what color of your eraser?
This is blue.
Color?
Blue.
Can you see the materials on the screen? Hello? Jack, what color of your eraser?
It's blue color.
Color blue. Do you see the material that I'm sharing on the screen right now? Angel, do you see the material? Okay, it's now playing. How about Angel? Number 3, has your mom that got a tablet? Has your mom or dad got a tablet? Hello? Angel,
Hello, hello, Miss
where are
Luna.
you?
I cannot see anything on the screen.
Okay,
Miss Luna, can you check again your screen?
okay. Okay, wait. Can you see the screen right now? Hello? Hello, Angel?
Yes, I can see now.
Okay,
Miss
thank you.
Luna, can you please check the chat box? I checked message there. You can read my message there.
Hello? Angel? Angel?
I don't see Angel here.
Where is Daisy? Daisy? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Class?
Yes.
Okay. Jack?
Daisy and Jack, can you please answer the teacher, please?
Angel? Hello? Daisy? Are you there? Oh, okay. How about Angel? Angel, where are you?
Angel is not here, Miss Luna. Angel is
Okay.
out.
Okay, let's proceed. Now, let's have question number 4. Okay, Jack, please answer. What's on your desk?
Computer.
Computer
Mouse.
and mouse. Very good.
And paper.
Well, paper. Wow. Okay, next. Daisy, let's have question number 5. How many crayons have you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So many.
Oh, that's too many. Oh, Jack is saying it's too many. She's counting too many. How many crayons?
I'm not.
90? How many? How many crayons have you got? Oh, Jack, how about you? How many crayons have you got?
How many?
Many. Can you please count for me?
Yes.
Okay, that's too many. Very good. Well done. Okay, let's have the next. Okay, in reading, we choose answers before you tell you what the word you need is singular. Okay, we need to start with a vowel. Okay, let's have this picture. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Okay, let's start with picture number 1. I'll give the example of picture number 1. I eat an apple.
Oh.
Apple. Okay, next. Let's have number 2. Jack, I drink.
Water.
Okay, you can choose the example answers here in the yellow box. I drink.
I drink.
Juice. Juice. Okay, good job. Okay, next, number 3. I draw lines with a, Daisy? With a,
I drink when
I draw lines.
I don't like when uh um
With a,
with
with,
a
And
mm, a pen.
are you? Okay. The answer is ruler. I draw lines with a ruler. Okay, next, let's have number 4. Jack, I read a
book.
a book. Okay, great job. Next, let's have number 5. Daisy, I wear a
yeah.
I wear a
So
shirt with and some
grass.
glasses. Okay, shirt and glasses. Okay, how about number 6? Jack, I can find blank on the beach. What things you can
Sail.
find on the beach?
Sails.
Shells. Okay, nice. Very good. Okay, next, number 7. Daisy. Okay, you're raising your hand, Jack. I write my
Shirt. Shirt.
Okay, pants. Okay, very good. Now let's have the next. Choose a word from the box. Okay, the yellow box. Write the correct word to 1 to 5. Let's have the example. Pat's putting his new book in his school bag. Okay, he's putting his
Book.
mhm. He's putting his okay,
Pens.
pens. Very good. Pens. Okay, next, number 2, Daisy. Pens and pencils, his bag too. He's taking new tablet to school today. That's in the bag. And his the answer is, Daisy,
Is
ruler. Okay. Ruler too. He draws lines that now he's putting an okay, Jack, number 3. And
Glass.
the answer is
Glass.
glasses. For lunch?
Juice.
Okay. Apple for his lunch in his bag. And some, Daisy, some fruit,
Some
that
juice.
juice. Very good. Okay. Next, Pat wears at school. Okay, Jack, you know what is this?
Shirt.
And
Glass.
wears glasses. Okay, well done. Good job. Okay, now let's have the next. Okay. Alex, Pat's friend. This is Alex' cool school bag. Okay, answer questions about Alex's bag. Let's have number 1. What fruit does Alex have in his bag? An apple and a...
Juice. Banana.
Okay, very good, Daisy. Banana. Now let's have number 2. How many pencils can you see? How many?
Pencil.
Okay, 2 pencils. Very good, Jack. Okay, now let's have number 3. What color is the ruler?
Blue.
Is that blue? Daisy,
Purple.
what color?
Purple.
Purple. Okay, nice job. Next, number 4. What can you see behind the apple? Behind the apple. What's behind the apple?
Book.
A book. Very good. Okay, next. Let's have number 5. Where is the bag? On the
Juice.
on the table? In the table?
On the table.
Oh.
On the table. On the chair.
It's on the...
Yeah.
Okay, Jack.
Yeah.
It's on the floor. Floor. Okay, next, let's have number 6. What drink can you see? Some.
Papa.
What drink? What flavor of the drink?
Oh.
6.
Oh.
It's an apple. It's some.
Apple.
Apple juice. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's play a game. Okay, are you ready? Close your eyes and draw. Let's play a game. Okay, Daisy, please close your eyes. Jack, please close your eyes. Okay, I will tell you when we are ready, okay? I'm counting from 3 to 1. Close your eyes and draw on the screen. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Jack. Close your eyes. Oh, where's your paper? Can you please show me what you draw? Daisy, are you done? Okay, draw something. Draw something on the paper. Close your eyes while drawing. Okay, Jack, close your eyes. Are you done? Daisy, start drawing now. Okay, are you done? And show me what you draw. Daisy, where are you? Are you done drawing, Daisy? Okay, can you please show me what did you draw? How about you, Jack? Are you done drawing? No picking. Close your eyes. How about Jack? It's okay. You can draw it on your paper or draw it in the screen. Jack, where are you? Oh, where? Wow, and a green apple. Very good. How about you, Jack? Where are you, Jack? Are you done drawing? Okay, can you please show me? Very good, Daisy. Wow, that's cute. Oh, what's that? That's a
TV.
TV. Wow, a flat screen TV. Okay. Okay, we are done with our lesson now. I'm giving you scores. Okay, please wait. Okay, Daisy, because you're helping with your classmates, I'm giving you score. And you're participating. Very good. Nice job. Okay, and also you are working hard. Do you see the monitor? Do you see the picture? Okay, Jack, you're also helping your classmates. Well done. And you're doing the task. And also, you are participating. You are our top one. Well done, Jack. Very good. Daisy is our top two, plus 4 points. Well done. Let's give ourselves a big clap, a big hand. Clap, clap, clap. Oh, Daisy, where are you? Okay, let's give ourselves a big hand. Let's clap for ourselves. Okay, that will be your score.
Con như vậy, cho cái đây ra ngoài. Một tuổi cho nên Ngọc
Okay, now we are done with our lesson.
đi rồi. Sao mình vô làm mình tóc con. Đúng không?
I will now say bye-bye to you guys.
Bye bye con.
Okay, thank you for joining my class. I hope to see you again next time. Thank you. Bye-bye, Daisy. Bye-bye, Jack. See you next class. Bye.
Teacher.
Bye bye con. Bye bye teacher.
Bye-bye.